Hey, my name is Samer, and today I'm going to show you how to use your family account in SpacesEDU. SpacesEDU is on a mission to support student success and future readiness for all learners. Your school aligns with that goal and is using our platform to help your student showcase who they are, document their learning in personalized ways, and celebrate their growth over time. With a family account, you get a window into the classroom, increased visibility into your students' learning journey, and an open line of communication with your students' teachers. And if you have multiple children using SpacesEDU, you can access them all from one family account, either in your web browser or through your mobile app. To get started, you'll receive an email invitation from your student's teacher. Click the link in your invitation email or log into your existing SpacesEDU family account, click your avatar in the top right corner, select Invitations, and click Accept. Once you've joined, you're connected to your students' learning. From your dashboard, you'll see class cards for each of your connected students. You can click a specific class card to dive into that classroom, or select all classes to view learning across all of your students. To return to your dashboard, click the Home button in the top left corner. In the Spaces tab, you'll find the different learning environments your child's teacher has created and made visible for you, including the class space, group spaces, one-to-one spaces, and possibly a reporting space. You can click into any space to see evidence of learning. Read posts created by students and teachers, view multimedia like audio, video, photos, and files, and see teacher feedback and student reflections. Let's open an example post. Here, you'll see a video from the student, a written comment from the teacher, and a student reflection. Want to engage? You can leave your comment or add media-based feedback like an audio or video message. If your child's class includes a reporting space, this is where curated learning shows growth over time. It's important to note that reporting spaces are optional. Their use depends on the teacher or school district. If your account includes this space, you may see overall teacher comments, proficiency levels across curriculum standards, and posts that have been hand-selected to highlight your child's progress. This space can be used for formal reporting or informal updates and helps families stay in the loop. The Messages section helps keep the homeschool connection strong. Here, you may find class channels, group threads, or direct messages from teachers. Click into any thread to read and respond. Note, if you can't reply to a message, it means the teacher has enabled one-way communication for that conversation. Want to control how and when you get notified? Click the bell icon at the top right of your screen to view your recent activity. Click your avatar icon to access account settings. From there, toggle your email and in-app notifications on or off to match your communication preferences. This helps you stay connected without being overwhelmed. That's been your introduction to the family account in SpacesEDU. Now, it's your turn to explore your child's learning, engage in their growth, and celebrate their progress, all from one easy-to-use platform.